We are going to take a look at a Larick Model 410 Shaper Sander. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, like, share, and turn on notifications to receive our latest videos as they drop. This is a Larick 410 Shape and Sand. It has 3 total stations, which consist of a 7.5 horsepower, 4,000 to 7,000 RPM shaping station, followed by 2 1.5 horsepower, 400 to 1,800 RPM tilting sanding stations. The shaping station has an 1.25 inch spindle, while the sanding stations have 1-inch spindles. We also just installed the new style 6-inch wide conveyor, including sprockets, drive shafts, idlers, chains, UHMW wear tape, bearings associated with the chain, and all 56 yellow hold-down tires. Basically, the entire feed system is the newer style and has been upgraded. This machine also features front adjusting hand wheels with digital readouts for horizontal and vertical shaper and sander positions. It's AC inverter controlled from a touchscreen for the variable speed of the shaper, sanders, and feed, featuring digital readouts for speed and load.